want to provide the best care we can provide for our patients. And to do that, we have to utilize all the resources that are available to us. And to me, data is one of those resources. And so when FLATIRON came and approached me about potentially doing a partnership with them, I saw that as being incredibly valuable to not just us, but to our patients in our practice.
FLATIRON Health is different because they come down to the site and actually look and see what we're doing. They'll stand alongside the clinicians in the clinic and try to figure out, what is your problem? What can we do to help? And then they go back and then they solve that problem. And that's what it's really exciting about working with them.
The one thing I have found about the FLATIRON people is they're actually really easy to work with. They're innovative in their thinking. I don't think any question I've asked them has been too obtuse for them to go and try to see if they can get the answer for me. And they're all willing to give it their best shot to see if they can get that information for me.
FLATIRON Health has been fantastic. I went to them with a lot of clinical problems, and they were able to make reports to find patients for me.
The FLATIRON group has really assisted us with our research department. It has been incredibly beneficial for us in terms of being able to identify patients and enhance accruals. Our research department had not been profitable previous to having these reports, and we have just recently turned a corner where that has changed for us and we are profitable. And the reason is because we've been able to increase our accruals by 100%.
One thing FLATIRON did was they came down, the entire team came down and interviewed many of my staff to figure out what a lot of the problems were in our day-to-day workflow. And they met with physicians, they met with nurses, they met with regulatory people to try and figure out where some of the breakdown was in our processes. And from that, they have helped us by building tools that alleviate some of those inefficiencies in our workflow.
And you're going to have to be able to stop and change on a dime to be able to manage your practice. And to do that, I need data. And to get that data, I need a partner like FLATIRON that's going to help me get there. I would encourage anybody to participate with them.